It's got a lot of what you need. You don't need to take a whole lot of supplements, and you don't need to do a lot of the unnatural stuff that people do to try to stay healthy. You need to go ahead and get on this, eating healthy. You feel me? Get outside, exercise, grow some of your own. I'm done with the farm season right now. I'm on homestead time. So if I'm not growing food for nobody else, I'm gonna always be growing food for my family. And I advise you too, to spend a little time growing a little something, or spend a little time learning how to grow a little something, because this is gonna enhance your life in every single way. Growing food makes you smarter. It's gonna make you healthier, more connected to nature, more grounded. You feel me? It's gonna make you appreciate the things that money can't buy. I've been growing food like this for my family for 20 years now. And I could tell you, in my journey of life, I have found very few things that's enhanced me and gave me more lessons, gave me more life, gave me more joy, gave me more peace than touching the land and growing some of my own. I'm glad to be here, I'm glad to be alive, and I'm glad that I have a chance to do what I do, and part of what I do is to give it to you. Y'all get out there, man, grow something. Stay rooted. Bless.